counts.
In which year was SRK born?
Jesus.
You go for it. I'll give you options.
Yes. That's just ridiculousness.
64, 65, 66, 67.
64. 64.
64, 65, 66, 67.
67.
65. So, right.
We both deserve that because
One all.
we should have known.
It's still 1-1. Which of the following actresses has SRK never worked with? Okay, Sushmita, Asen, Twinkle, Urmila.
Asin.
She's right. 2-1. Which of the following movies SRK was not a part of? Hey Baby, Kaal, Har Dil Jo Pyar Karega, Saath Khoon Maaf.
Saath Khoon Maaf. Huh?
She came first.
I heard it together.
You know that split second of
We have to allow the judge to decide that, Katrina.
She came first.
Faridun.
2-all.
Okay.
2-all.
And I think my partner and I also, like, Ranbir and I have a very, like, natural friendship. So it was never this, like, dewy eye, rose-tinted glasses sort of relationship. It was always like a, you know, a relationship of, like, best friends. But, I mean, of course, I married him for a reason because I think he's wonderful, like, to me and just as a human being. But 100% the person I love trolling the most is him, and the person he loves trolling the most is me. So that, I think, is a very natural dynamic between two people.
Yeah, of course, it's digital. Say whatever you want. I literally didn't give a shit. Because I was so done with auditions by then. I went to the gates. Anushka Sharma मुझे audition करा Yash Raj Studios का gate. They said आपका नाम नहीं लिखा है. Okay, bye. And I just walked off. Manish Sharma, who directed Band Baja Barat, at that time he was an assistant director on that film. He called me. He said, "You were supposed to come for an audition." I said, "Yeah, but your guy said that my name's not there." I hadn't gone too far, so anyway, I came back. But really, I went with zero expectation, and I was selected. I know for a fact was because I wasn't too desperate to get that film.
Now he feels like you're a mother figure.
Yeah, but you know, he used to call he used to call me Ma even before, no?
Yeah.
Amma, sorry, I'm saying Ma. Amma. He used to call me Amma.
Tamanna, are you someone who makes resolutions?
For once, you know, I'm grateful. You know, I end this year at a note of a lot of gratitude because as an actor, I've had this beautifully amazing career till now. It's been many years of working in very many different languages. But this year, I got to play parts that really were cathartic for me as an actor. So I end this year with a lot of gratitude, and I hope that I make many more things in my life next year, which I have more things to be grateful for.